Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create cat dennings from Two Broke Girls. I loved that sitcom so much, so I'm just going to make her right now. Let me know if you want Caroline as well. Is that her name? I'm like forgetting. It's 2 a.m. Okay, I'm sorry. I said that was my one of my favorite sitcoms, but grab this hair and color it this brown color. And grab this hair 2 in the same color, position the Y at 0.42, Z 0.6, rotate the X to 0.53. And then for the outfit, it's actually pretty simple and you don't need VIP for this. So for the top, I'm just going to grab this in this mustard yellow color, D4A233. And then I'm going to grab these pants in this red color. And then I'm going to grab this in red, and then the rest in that mustard yellow color. Then I'm just going to get these suspenders and I'm just going to color it red as well. And then lastly for the shoes, I'm just going to use this in this color, 211312 in the leather pattern. It should be a little bit brighter actually, maybe like this instead. Okay, let's do that instead so you can actually see the brown color. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Oh my gosh, did I say cat dennings at the beginning? I'm saying Max Black. Okay, that is it for this video. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.